For XOR operator, if condition is same, then false, otherwise true. If the condition is same, then false, otherwise true. Let me run the operation for bitwise into the 4. XOR for third option. Let me choose 2. No, something big number like 4, 5. Let me choose a 5, and second one is 4. Okay, what will be the output? I will check output here. Here is 1. If I say why it's 1, how are you able to understand why it's 1? If you know, let me understand you why it's 1. What was the first value? It was 5 and 4. Okay, was 5 and second value was 4. What is the binary of 5? 1 2 4 0 1 1 0 1. Binary of 5 is 1 0 1. Binary of 4 is 1 0 0. Able to understand? 1 0 0. As I already said, for XOR operator, if condition is same, then false. Otherwise okay, for XOR operator, if condition is same, then false, otherwise true. Condition is, if condition is same, then true, then false, otherwise true. Here both the condition are different, then true. Here both the conditions are same, then false. Here both the conditions are same, then false. What is the output? This is 1 0 0 1, and the binary is 0 0 1. Then the decimal is 1. That's why. That is why. Here you see the value 1. Are you able to understand the logic behind this logic bitwise operator? Okay, the same condition we have already completed it on. Alright, hope you understand this, all the operator here. Let me explain the code. Yes, I have just written here print whatever my detail for this space for operator like printf to print any string, like I have printed out, like press and giving the space like 3 #t for the spacing part. Int press, it is a variable, created a variable, then enter part, then and take the input from user, from 1 for arithmetic, 2 for relational, 3 for logical, 4 for bitwise. Alright, taking the output and put the output in press. Okay, let me close this first. I have started the switch case condition. Switch press. When the outputs come from here, when the output is came from here it's here, whatever the output is there. If the output is 1, it will print, it will start the program for arithmetic. If the output is 2, then it's start the program for relational. If output is 3, then 4 and 4. Alright. If the output is rather than 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will show error. Okay. Error like this, wrong key pressed. Alright. The compiler. And but I have, for arithmetic, I have create a function for case 1, case 2 for relational operator, case 3 for logical operator, case 4 for bitwise operator. For arithmetic, this is a function. Int, it's a data type. Case 1 is a identifier, and this is a parenthesis. Okay. This is the declaration of function. Int for data type, case 1 identifier, parenthesis, and this semicolon indicates the declaration of function. To start the function, you have to int case 1 parenthesis. To call the function, you have to write case 1. At the time of calling the any function, you don't have to write any data type. Okay. The same things happen for declaration part. You have to write data type, identifier, parenthesis, and semicolon. To start any function, you have to write the data type, identifier, and parenthesis without any semicolon. What is the use of semicolon? Semicolon means that the line of compilation is done. The compilation is done here. Now jump to second line. This is the mean of this semicolon. Okay. This is a big bracket, curly bracket open, and the function and the curly bracket will be closed. Okay. Let's jump in the function. For int, it's for arithmetic operator calculator. Alright. 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 for remainder operator. Okay. Here I created a local variable int press, print enter, scanf %d, and to press. The process will be same. When the operate user put any value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be go here. The if the %d, it's any integer value is here, then you go to the save in the variable press. Okay. The switch case start press. If the user press 1, the compilation start. This I have created 3 variable num1, num2, and add. Okay. Enter first value, the compilation will be here. This process is same. Okay. The I have called the addition variable and put the two input of addition, and we have using here operator, addition operator, and print addition /n for the new line, and it is a format specifier. No, it's not. So okay. This break to completion of case 1. Okay. For case 2, same. Case 3, same. Case division, same. Everything is going to same. At the end, we have to use the default to giving the. If you're not using this default or a break, if you not use a break, when the switch case start, run all the program. Do you know why? There is a indication for the compiler. If you using the semicolon, the compiler understand the program is run and we have to jump to the next line. Okay. If you using the break, the compiler understand the case function. The case is completed. You have to stop now. You don't have to run anyway. Okay. For this bracket, the what is the use of bracket? It's bind the bind the program. Okay. It gives you the clarification to binding the program. Okay. For default, if any number is 6 7 which is which is not same as 5 4, then it will print the wrong pressed key. Okay, same things happen. Use the same trick here. Nothing is very easy. For case 3, okay, for case 4 also same. Now this is the end part of switch. It's the main role of this. And here is case if this user press 1, the function c1 case 1 function will be called from the top and run here. Okay, and at the last default return 0. It's the and when the return 0 shows, the compiler understand the main function is complete, because compilation of in C start from main and end with main also in only. Okay, hope you understand the operator part of today's lecture, and thanks. Hope you support us. Thank you.